Hello guys, in today's session we will learn how to take the crankshaft deflection of a main engine. For better understanding of this topic, I will divide this video into three parts. The first part will be consisting the safety checks that need to be done before entering into the crankcase, and second part will be how actually the measurement should be done, and third part will be how to fill the measurement sheet and the absolute permissible values as per the maker. So before entering into the engine room, let's first discuss about the safety checks. So for carrying out the crankcase inspection, the engine should be in stop condition and the lube oil pump must be in stop condition and locked and tagged. Also, don't forget to do the gas check and fill the enclosed spare permit. So now let's enter into the engine room and continue our video. So now what you can see behind me, these are the crankcase doors and these we have already opened, and now we will enter inside to take the crankshaft deflection. The punch marks are already given on the both sides, as you can see. These punch marks are diagonally opposite to the crank pin. Now you can see we have fitted the dial gauge in the punch marks. You can see the movement of the deflection needle, and it is secured to the crank webs with the spring force so that it doesn't fall when we turn the crankshaft. So closing of the webs means when the webs are coming closer, that will be taken as negative, and when the webs will be opening, the opening of the webs will be taken as positive. So we will take our first reading when the crank pin is at the port bottom, and we start turning the engine in the clockwise direction, looking forward from the aft. And now it's the time to take the second reading when the crank pin is on the port side. The crank pin is at the top means the piston is also at the TDC. Fourth reading we will take when the crank pin is on the starboard side. And the last and the fifth reading we will take when the crank pin is on the starboard bottom. So now we have taken all the measurements. What you can see on the screen is the measurement sheet. You can pause the video and have a closer look at the various parameters and readings, what we need to fill. And this sheet will give you the maximum allowable values for different type of engines. So now we have covered all the 3 sections of our video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you on being this voyage of learning crankshaft deflection with me. See you until we meet again. Bye bye.